ako with Speaker Romualdez, kakausapin siya, parang mag-hi lang, gusto kong sabihin sa kanya, bye-bye, crocodile.
Aasarin mo siya?
Kasi natalo ko siya. Sabi ko, I call for the investigation of Speaker Tapos announce ko sa page ko na I will take Speaker's position. So, ngayon, mawala na siya Speaker. So, syempre, sasabihin ko, kaya, hindi mangyayari sa ating mga corrupt na officials.
But what was your basis for saying na corrupt si Speaker Romualdez, he should step down?
Firstly, I have some personal knowledge. Even if I were to reveal everything, even if I were to show a whole video of him stealing money, he will not be in prison because he is the cousin of the president. Either nagnako siya ng hundreds of billions. So, he's already on the whole. Yeah, hundreds of billions of flood control projects. Either way, he should also be investigated as Speaker if he failed to stop congressmen from stealing hundreds of billions under his watch.
Bakit ka naglakas loob na magsalita? Everyone else, tahimik. And then here comes a Gen Z congressman, suddenly nagsasalita.
I am capable of defeating
Okay?
powerful people.
Si Congressman Francisco Tito Austria Barzaga, 27 years old, at isa sa may tinuturing na Gen Z congressman. Galing sa pamilya ng mga politiko, ang imaunang ama, si dating Congressman Elpidio P.D. Barzaga Jr. Mayor naman ngayon ng siyudad ng Dasmariñas sa Cavite ang kanyang ina, si Jennifer Jenny Austria Barzaga. Pinagkakan si Congressman
Galing sa hindi tamang gawain. So you're bunched together with them. You don't mind?
Firstly, it's not a luxury kasi yung mga nag-headlock na sa akin na babae. It's part of the cosplay culture.
Ikaw ba malinis ka coming from a political family too?
Well, depends on what you define as clean. Me, I have not been involved in any cases.
May isa pang kuna ang kanyang mga kritiko. Ang inasal nito sa loob ng kamara.
Meow, 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 meow.
Bakit ka daw ba miyaw ng miyaw?
Kasi mahilig ako sa posa.
Sabi ni Congresswoman Garin, di ba? Sana daw wag ka naman daw miyaw ng miyaw.
So siguro medyo na-offend lang siya kasi nasama siya sa video tapos yung mga comments may mga against sa kanya.
Waiting that you may not be mentally fit.
First of all, si Congressman Puno hindi siya isang doktor or any form of medical professional. So he has no basis of saying that. And secondly, siguro crazy talaga ang laban kay Romualdez nung panahon na yun, last week. Kasi siya yung pinakamalakas na tao sa buong Pilipinas noon eh. Siya at si Marcos. Silang dalawa yung may control ng buong budget. Like, sila yung pinaka-mastermind ng lahat ng masamang nangyari. Going against them, parang it's political suicide. And it's just not just political suicide, it's also personal suicide. Kasi baka mamaya patiin na ako or ipakulong na ako. There's only a crazy person could do such a thing, you know? But sometimes it takes crazy people. I've not been diagnosed of any. May mga iba-ibang nagsasabi na baka ganito ka, or maybe you have some autism because of the different way I act. Pero all forms of neurological tests, I have passed.
Do you promise not to steal? Huwag ka rin mangkukurakot?
Alam ang congressman na hindi magsasabi na, yes, don't. I promise that I will not steal. Will you believe me?
We will see.
You will see it. Kaya yun yung sagot. Yun yung sagot ko.
Sisingilin ka namin balang araw.
Yes, and I hope you do the same to all my fellow congressmen and all other public